You know who's good, who's really polite, kahit tarantado? Is Sargon.
Tumabi ang mga gago, ito na ang tarantado.
There's this Twin Wolves who are rapscallion singers.
Okay.
They live in LA.
Okay.
They had a song with Sargon and Mike Cosa called Tribu Ritmo. I love that song. I saw Sargon for the first time. Sabi ko, ang galing to, taga-Italy ba to? Sabi ko ngayon sa Twin Wolves, I wanna make a song with this guy. He's really good. Sabi niya, i-message mo siya. I click message, pucha. Sargon had a message ng 2013, 2012, 2011. Dol, suplado ka. Fuck, how am I gonna invite this guy? And this guy sa Sargon, he's very polite. Sabi niya, ay Dol, puta, wala pag-uusapan dyan. And that time, he was really hot, ha?
Iso gawin natin triple.
So pwede niyang sabihin, tayo na idol, laos ka na eh. Tapos ngayon gagawa tayo. Hindi lang yun, parang ngayon akong sikat. He accepted my invitation, sabi niya, wala nang pag-uusapan dyan. Send me the beat, let's do it. Isang karangalan. I'm the OG, fabulous, hang with the abulous. And I think people like that will have good karma in their...
He's really nice. I think he's just misunderstood because of his branding.
Happy New Year!
Sa ulo eh. No?
Oh, he's really nice. He's really nice. He's a good provider, a good father, a good partner.
Yeah.
And also in Italy, he leads a good movement also.
Oo.